Magnolia. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. All right, what I have for you today is a Hobby Lobby fall haul, okay? And I'm going to break one of my rules that I always say, don't ever buy full price. I bought a few things at Hobby Lobby full price. What can I say? I'm busted. I couldn't help it with the way that the supply issues are. I was afraid that it would sell out and I wouldn't get it, okay? So I did do that. And then some things are in the spring shop and they were either 65 or 75% off. I can't remember which, okay? So let's hop into this. I'm so excited, all right? The first thing I picked up is this. Is this not adorable? The stacked pumpkins on this. Yes, you could take Dollar Tree pumpkins and stack them, but by the time you paid $1.25 and then did this or put the jingle blocks at the bottom, this was only $7.99, okay? If you want, wait till it's like 50% off or 40% off. It still would be a steal of a deal, but I loved it. I want to do a DIY with this, and I think it's going to be beyond super cute. Look how tall that is. So I just didn't want to miss out, all right? So I picked that up. Then this next thing is from the spring shop. I don't think they meant it to look like fall, but it screams fall to me. I love it, okay? Look at this. Does that not? It's two-sided, if you can believe it. And it has this that kind of looks like it has that same check design on it. The little cheese knife, okay? And then on this side, it's plain. So it's like a 2-for-1, okay? This was originally $19.99. I either paid 65 or 75% for it, and I don't know which. And this is all raised. Right here where you see that detail, it's raised. I love it. I thought this would be so pretty in my kitchen for fall. So don't forget the spring shop for some of your fall items because they're right there waiting on you, okay? Just look at that. And then when I don't want this, I have this. You cannot beat that, okay? Then I picked up, this was in the spring shop as well, and it's just a small cutting board. I'm totally beyond obsessed with cutting boards. I know it, but I can't help it. Originally $9.99, same deal. It was either 65 or 75% off, and I can't remember. But I thought that would be really cute. Maybe on my drink station. I'm not sure where, but I don't think you could ever have enough cutting boards, all right? And then look at this ladle. Spring shop again. I thought, does that not scream fall farmhouse? Love it. Okay, this was originally $9.99, but like everything else that you see from the spring shop, 65% off or 75% off, and I don't know which, okay? But look at that. I love the wood grain. That is just, I'm wanting to get, but I don't know where I would put it. A little metal, it's like a rod. I know IKEA has them, but we don't have an IKEA around here. But anyway, it's a little metal rod with hooks, and I thought, would that not be adorable to hang off? But I don't know where I'd put it. I've just about used up all my wall space. I'm a sad little girl. Okay. Then I picked up some more of these little spoons. They're a little different than the ones I already have. They were $3.99. Paid the full price for these. But look how cute these are. And you get, how many do you get? And you get 6 of these. So cute for tiered trays. Love them. Okay. Then I have something planned for this. And if it works, it's going to be beyond adorable. We'll see. But I got this $2.99. Look at these little Scarecrow hats. I don't remember seeing them before in Hobby Lobby. They may have been there. You get 4, but I think they are beyond precious, okay? So then I picked up, I have something planned for this. If it turns out, who knows? Okay, $2.99. I got 2 packets. I hope that's enough. Look at these little fall leaves with the buttons in the center. I love the yellow, that bright orange, and that green. Oh my gosh, how many do you get? You get 12 pieces. They're little stickers. So I went ahead and got 2 packs of this. Because I feel pretty sure these will sell out. And these are, this top feels like it's felt, but then that back part feels like it's hard, the brown does. So I hope I have enough, we'll see. Then I got 1 stem of these. I think they are just, I should live where it's fall 6 months out of the year and Christmas the other 6. And that would make me quite happy, okay? This was $2.99 and I paid the full price for this. But is that not so cute? I love it. All right, then they saw me walk in the door and they said, "Come here, sucker." What can I say? Look at this. They have it in cream, a green, the natural galvanized, and this beautiful orange with that dark around the edge. And it was $9.99. And yes, I did. I paid the full price because I'm so afraid that they will all be gone and then I won't get it. Great for tiered trays. Great just to sit around. You can do a lot with this. I only picked up 1. If there's more when they go on sale, I will be having those, okay? Then I picked these up because I thought, well, I might be able to incorporate this in my plan. It's just fall party confetti, $2.99. And you get all those different sizes of leaves, pumpkins, gourds, acorns, and they're really pretty. Here shows you everything that's in there. The green, the brown, the red, the yellow, the orange, and then you get 2 things that are black. But is that not cute? Oh my gosh. And you just get 2.5 ounces of this, all right? Then, I cannot help myself. I need to go to Hobby Lobby Anonymous. I really do. Look at this set of 3 pumpkins. Oh, the natural pumpkin color, this real pretty bluish, like a greenish tealish. It's a blue-green, I think, really. And then that cream with those pretty little bows. And look at those stems. That one looks like that. And you can kind of see what these 2 look like. Love it. $12.99. And yes, ma'am, I did. Full price. I don't know. But if these would be gone, I would be sick. And these are heavy. These will be so cute. I picked up something similar to these last year at Walmart. And I would see some and then I would go for a long time. I wouldn't see more. So I thought, oh, these are going to be perfect. Not sure where I'm going to put them yet, but I love them, all right? Then I wanted a ladder for my kitchen. I know Melvin could make this for me quite easily, but $14.99, and yes, I did, full price. But look, it comes in a black that is distressed, and no, it comes in all black. It comes in a white that's distressed, and this plain. And I think I'm going to paint my own because I didn't really want the black one. Started to get it, but I was like, I don't think so. The white one with the distressing, I wasn't a fan of it. So I thought I'll get this color. If I paint it, which I think I will, then I can distress it to my own liking and it'll be perfect. But I'm planning on, I hope I have room, putting this in there in my kitchen and then putting things off of it. Maybe like a tea towel or a conversion thing for fall that hangs on little hooks. I don't know. I definitely need another house. I really do. The problem is for what we have and our pool alone, with the inflation of the prices, our pool is to replace that pool would be the price of a house almost. So I wouldn't get what we have now, and I don't want to have less than what we have now because I really like our house. I love our neighbors. I love the area that we're in. It's just if we had our wish, we would go a little bigger. Not a whole lot bigger, just a little bigger. I like to have a bigger kitchen, bigger bathrooms, and I think really that's it. I mean, and a little more storage. I would like to have a little more storage. But anyway, nevertheless, that's my woes of the house. But I'm very grateful and thankful for the house that we have. Love it to death. And like I said, love the area and the neighbors. You just can't beat them, okay? All right. So then I went ahead, and while I was in there, I hopped in the Christmas area. And my Hobby Lobby does not have much out, okay? And for a true diehard Christmas person, it's sad. The rest of you are probably saying, well, I'd hope not. But I love it, okay? I picked these up, these little tiny, they were $2.99. And they're just little wreaths, you know, that you can embellish something with. I don't know. And then this is Paper Studio, and these are the poinsettias, and I love them. You get 6 and $3.99, okay? But I thought I might be able, when I do some DIYs, to do something with this, okay? Then I went ahead and picked up some more of my Dimensional Effects. It's Paintable texture paste. I love this stuff. It's deco art. I use it all the time with my molds sometimes. I made those snowflakes with this. Oh gosh, I made my snowflakes with this, and then I've put them in my molds and made them, and then I used it in that house that I made for Christmas in July. I used it for some snow. I love it, and it's very pliable when it dries, so love that, okay? I just wish it came in a larger container, because when you put a deep mold full of it, it takes a lot, okay? Then I got this. I have looked at this for quite a while. Every year I go in there and I would be like, oh, I love that house. And you get 3 houses for $14.99. So that's what I did. Look at this big house. I love it. The top lifts back, okay? Because I don't think it, or does it come completely off? I think it comes completely off, yes. Comes completely off the top, which is great. And then you have the 2 smaller houses inside of that. I cannot wait to decorate these. I know one is definitely going to be Christmas. One maybe fall, I'm not sure, but I just love it. Look at all that goodness that we have to do. Just have to let my hands rest a little bit. They are getting better, and one of you said, did I think that warm wax would help it? And it might. Mom had one of those little wax things that you put your hands in and melt it, and it always made my hands feel really good. But I really think that the magnesium and the chiliated magnesium and then the Epsom salt baths are making a big difference. And also, I am taking it easy with my hands. I really am. Like, if you'll notice, when I go to do a thumbs up, that knuckle will not come all the way down. It feels like it's stuck. But this thumb is getting much better, so I'm just going to slowly let my body try to heal itself before I go into anything invasive. Okay, so that's where I'm at with that. But I love this. I think it's so cute. Then I picked up another one of these storage containers when I found it, still on clearance for $3.99. Like I said, these are great for like the different journal books that I'm doing. I put everything involved in Winter Tales in one, and then I have everything for Alice in Wonderland in one, and then I'm going to be looking for some more, another kind for fall, And so I thought I would just keep it in that because it's so easy. You grab it, you go, you know where it is, all right? Then one other thing, this came from Walmart. And I've had these now probably about 2 weeks. So I'm just now getting around to hauling it. But look at these fall flowers. Are those not gorgeous? I love them. It's the neutral fall with just a little bit of that in there. Oh, I love that. And these were Rose, Mum, and Protea Bouquet. And I naturally, it's not priced, and I bought these so long ago. I think they were $5, but that's a lot of flowers. And then look at this for $5. So that concludes everything that I found at Hobby Lobby. And it's a good thing. I never, ever buy unless it's on sale. But when I went in there, like I said, I was like, oh my gosh. They only had a few things, you know, of certain things that I was interested in. And I was like, these will go. And then I'll be here and I'll be sick. So I was able to do it, and I did. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I don't know why. I would love it if you'd subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So let me get Maggie and let her say hi to you. And I will see you on Tuesday for a continuation of our Winter Tales Junk Journal interactive book. She says, Mama, every time I get comfortable, you bother me. Do you love your friends? Yes, you do. Maggie, you love your friends? Yes, she does. She says hi. She says hello. I love you. She said, I'm a very good girl. Say, yes, I've slept a lot today. Yes, I have. Say, Daddy was gone, and me and Mama, we have been alone. But say, Daddy's coming back today. Yes, he's coming back today. And she cannot wait till Daddy comes back. So, until next time, bye, guys.